Okay, so what we have here is a situation with a sensitive parrot. You may or may not know that parrots are very, very messy, especially this type. So we thought we'd vacuum the rug. We have a large red vacuum. We thought he doesn't like this very much, and he made this weird sound. So we've got another vacuum, a smaller, quieter, blue vacuum cleaner. And we thought we'd introduce him to it gently. But guess what? What do you think, Clancy? It's okay. It's okay. Is it okay? It's a nice vacuum cleaner. It's okay. No? It's okay. Clancy? Clancy, it's okay. You'll be all right. We're not going to let anything hurt you in this house. Okay? Good bird. Let's try a different part with the vacuum. Perhaps if I just go over here with this and come up the other direction. Hi, Clancy. What do you think of this? Neat. It's like a flute, right? You like flutes. Is it okay? What do you think? Yeah. See? It's a nice tube made of blue plastic. It's a pretty color. See? It's not a snake. He's a little suspicious of it, but he tapped on it with his beak. See? But you know it's a part for that. It's okay. It's a good bird. It's a nice bird. Very understanding and tolerant bird. When you go, let's go meet it. Come on, step up. What do you think? You want to be down on the floor with it? You'll never be down on the floor when it's on, I promise. That's a pretty funny little sound you're making. It's okay. This is a vacuum cleaner to clean up the mess that you're making. You have to take him out of the house to vacuum. It's okay. Do you mind if it's short? Dude, it's okay. It's okay. No? You're being a goof. Here, step up. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. You can just relax. No, it's okay. Why don't you just go say hi? It's okay. Come on, step up. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. We'll try a little more later. It's okay, dude. Moving it away. Oops.